MyDia Smart Factory is a holistic solution that features digitization, automation, and lean manufacturing, which has already been applied at MyDia's overseas factories. Industrial networks digitize the operation across the value chain, establish a more efficient and agile system, realize inter-equipment communication, enable real-time tracking and monitoring, improve daily management, solve errors timely, minimize energy consumption, increase yield, uptime, and quality, ensure top-quality AC production, improve the punctuality of delivery and shipping, increase supply network efficiency, take every indicator to an unprecedented level. MyDia Residential Air Conditioner Thailand Smart Factory.
Manufucture. MyDia.